Okay, for this exercise, we're going to use a small ball. You can use a football, or this is a 6-inch all ball, ideally. And we're going to have it between our hip and the inside of our wrist, like so. And then what we're doing here is we're just going to roll the shoulder round and back while keeping the ball lightly compressed against the hip. So we're trying to, as we go around, to really drop the shoulder right down, lift it up a bit, right down. With a slight compression between the wrist and the hip through the ball.